Hi, I'm Maria, and I'm so excited to tell you about this brand new community. Welcome to Creekside Reserve, a new home community nestled in the heart of Suffolk, Virginia, in the historic Driver area. Today, we're excited to share the unique features that make this community a perfect place to call home. Convenience is key. Creekside Reserve is strategically located less than 7 miles from Harborview and less than 5 miles from I-664. Enjoy easy access to major amenities without sacrificing the peaceful suburban lifestyle. HHHunt Homes is introducing brand new floor plans to the Suffolk area. Experience modern living with innovative designs tailored to suit the needs of today's homeowners. You will enjoy the luxury of first floor living with our exclusive offerings. Primary and guest suites thoughtfully designed for your comfort and convenience.
At Creekside Reserve, we believe in making your dream home a reality. That's why we offer on-site design appointments. You will meet with me, Lynn, a design professional, ensuring that every detail reflects your unique style.
Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Creekside Reserve is a smaller boutique-sized community with 53 homes that fosters a close-knit atmosphere, providing you with a sense of belonging. Picture this: over 8 acres of tranquil green space throughout the community where you can enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's throwing a ball with your furry friend or watching your kids kick a ball, Creekside Reserve offers a perfect blend of nature and recreation. Creekside Reserve isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. Homeowners enjoy proximity to numerous recreation and shopping locations, including Harborview, downtown Suffolk, Sleepy Hole Park and Golf Course, Suffolk Seaboard Coastline Trail, Bennett's Creek Park and Boat Ramp, and more. Discover the charm, embrace the convenience, and make memories at Creekside Reserve. Your dream home awaits. Learn more at hhhunthomes.com.